Are you interested in buying cryptocurrency and looking for the best crypto exchanges? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're traversing the digital landscape, exploring the top 10 crypto apps and exchanges as of February 2024. These platforms stand out for their unique features, security measures, and user-friendly interfaces. First up, we have Binance. Binance is a household name in the crypto world. It's known for its extensive selection of cryptocurrencies and robust trading features. Binance's advanced charting tools make it a top choice for seasoned traders, while its intuitive interface welcomes beginners. Next on our list is Coinbase. Coinbase is celebrated for its user-friendly design and educational resources. It's ideal for those new to the crypto market, offering a simple way to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrency. Plus, with Coinbase Earn, users can learn about new cryptocurrencies while earning tokens. Thirdly, we have eToro. eToro stands out with its unique social trading feature. This allows users to follow and copy the trades of expert investors. It's a great platform for those who want to learn from the best and expand their trading strategies. Coming in fourth is Kraken. Kraken is a versatile platform that caters to both beginners and experienced traders. It offers advanced trading features, including futures and margin trading. Also noteworthy is Kraken's strong commitment to security, offering peace of mind to its users. Number 5 is Gemini. Gemini is a regulated cryptocurrency exchange based in the US with a strong focus on security. It offers a secure platform for trading a variety of cryptocurrencies and has an easy-to-use interface. Moving on to number 6, we have Crypto.com. This platform offers a comprehensive crypto experience with its own token, a crypto card, and a platform for buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. It's a one-stop shop for all things crypto. At number 7, we find Bitstamp. Bitstamp is known for its comprehensive suite of trading tools and excellent customer service. It also offers a variety of deposit and withdrawal options, making it a flexible choice for traders. Next, at number 8 is CEX.io. This platform stands out for its range of services including staking, instant buy-sell, and margin trading. It also supports a variety of payment methods, including credit cards. Coming in at number 9 is Bittrex. Bittrex is renowned for its wide selection of cryptocurrencies and its commitment to security. It's a solid choice for traders who want to explore beyond the mainstream coins. Finally, at 10, we have KuCoin. KuCoin is known for offering a broad range of cryptocurrencies, including many altcoins. It also boasts a user-friendly interface and a variety of trading tools. In conclusion, each of these exchanges offers something unique, whether it's a wide range of cryptocurrencies, advanced trading tools, or user-friendly interfaces. They are all excellent choices for anyone interested in dipping their toes into the digital currency waters. Remember, while these platforms can facilitate your crypto trading, it's essential to do your own research and understand the risks involved. Happy trading!